Want to know some useless facts that you never knew you needed to hear? Well, let's begin. 1. Water might not be wet. This is because most scientists define wetness as a liquid's ability to maintain contact with a solid surface, meaning that water itself is not wet, but can make other objects wet. 2. The sun makes a sound, but we can't hear it. In the form of pressure waves, the sun does make a sound. The wavelength of the pressure waves from the sun is measured in hundreds of miles, however, meaning they are far beyond the range of human hearing. 3. You can actually die from laughing. And a number of people have, typically due to intense laughter causing a heart attack or suffocation. Comedy shows should come with a warning. 4. Football teams wearing red kits play better. The color of your clothes can affect how you're perceived by others and change how you feel. A review of football matches in the last 55 years, for example, showed that teams wearing a red kit consistently played better in home matches than teams in any other color. 5. Snails have teeth. Between 1,000 and 12,000 teeth, to be precise. They aren't like ours though, so don't be thinking about snails with ridiculous toothy grins. You'll find the snail's tiny teeth all over its file-like tongue. 6. A horse normally has more than 1 horsepower. A study in 1993 showed that the maximum power a horse can produce is 18,000 watts, around 24 horsepower. 7. There is no such thing as a straight line. Zoom in close enough to anything and you will spot irregularities. Even a laser light beam is slightly curved. 8. Fish form orderly queues in emergencies. When evacuating through narrow spaces in sketchy situations, schools of neon tetrafish queue so that they don't collide or clog up the line. Scientists interpreted this behavior as showing that fish can respect social rules even in emergency situations, unlike us humans. 9. Martial artists who smile before the start of the match are more likely to lose. This could be as a smile can convey fear or submissiveness. 10. You don't like the sound of your own voice because of the bones in your head. This may be because the bones in our head make our voice sound deeper. 11. A rainbow on Venus is called a glory, appearing as a series of colored concentric rings. These are caused by the interference of light waves within droplets, rather than the reflection, refraction and dispersion of light that makes a rainbow. 12. A lightning bolt is 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. The charge carried by a bolt of lightning is so intense that it has a temperature of 30,000 degrees centigrade. 13. You can smell ants. Many species of ants release strong-smelling chemicals when they are angry, threatened or being squished. Trap jaw ants release a chocolate smell when annoyed, while citronella ants earn their name from the lemony odor they give off. 14. Beavers don't actually live in dams. Technically, beavers live in a lodge that they build behind a dam, within a deep pool of water. 15. Pine trees can tell if it's about to rain. Next time you see a pine cone, take a close look. If it's closed, that's because the air is humid, which can indicate rain is on its way. Please subscribe for more fun facts.